Hey, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air, and this is about emergency AC repair in Miami. The kind you need at 9 p.m. on a Sunday when the house is already 85 degrees. When your AC dies on an evening or weekend, someone from our team picks up and we get a tech to you usually within hours. Emergency AC failures in Miami are almost always one of three things: a tripped breaker or electrical fault, a refrigerant leaks that's iced over the system, or a capacitor that's given out in the heat. We carry the common parts on the truck, so most emergency calls get fixed on the first visit, not scheduled for some time next week. Flat rate pricing even after hours. No overtime gotchas. We've kept South Florida homes cool since 1990. We're a licensed Florida AC contractor. The license is CAC 182345. If your AC just died and you can't wait, call Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air.